This Century 21 Keiser & Company real estate property video is presented by Vicki Reinhardt. This is a beautiful barndominium with 108 feet open water. Perfect for an Airbnb and can install a boat dock. Please confirm through City of Cottonwood Shores the process, etc. Sleeps 12 and located right next to neighborhood boat slip. Metal vaulted ceilings and ceiling fans throughout and wall lighting. 2 large bedrooms and 2 large bathrooms with an open concept with solid windows overlooking the lake. On the back porch is a saltwater hot tub overlooking the lake. For more information, review the details below or contact Vicki Reinhardt at 512-665-8582.